everyone, welcome to Brotherhood Life. Brotherhood Life is a three-part mini series that's basically just a rip-off of Secret Life. We added some stuff. The stuff we added is what did we add? We added like the favor and the naughty roll. They both get lucky box and they both glow. Someone who's basically like nice, you know. Whatever. You'll find out. I don't know how to explain it. Hello.
What word? You're here. I didn't think you were gonna be here.
Why not?
I thought you weren't gonna be here.
I
Or
thought
that
I wasn't
delusional.
either. I am.
Oh, I just told Ina that we were probably gonna be so cooked because you had all the stuff.
Well, okay.
It's okay, Ina. Budward's here. We're all good.
I'm gonna give you my diamonds, right?
What? Budward, I think you're lagging.
I gotta give you my
Ooh,
diamonds, right?
diamonds.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Make
Oh,
armor
yeah.
with that. Is Aina on our team?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've adopted Ina before she's even joined.
We gotta get food today.
Yeah, we can probably get bones. Bones is probably nether. Bone meal from the nether.
Oh no. Do you take any damage from that, or?
I took half a heart.
You still lose health even in the session, so. Damn.
Okay, well it's upkill now, Budward.
It's upkill now?
Yeah, the yellows can kill us.
Oh.
So what are we doing? Do you have any food at all?
No.
Oh, okay, I have 5 steak. Take 2.
Alright. I gotta make my sugarcane farm.
Oh, okay. I'll go to the nether, try and get bone blocks.
Alright. I'm gonna get one a camel. Camel's gonna keep me safe. Camel's gonna treat me well. Alright. Like the coldest got to, you're not sick. Commit sleepers, you're sick. Damn it. Man. Damn it. Damn it. Oh man. I'm sick right now. Do we not have anything here? Damn it. I'm so ill.
What?
I'm so ill.
Santa thing?
Yeah, I asked 80 bad at data pack with Santa Taste.
What? No.
Would that count as... Hi y'all. I'm kinda sick right now, but yeah.
Sorry to hear. Oh wait.
No, I'm not doing this.
Alicia. I can't pronounce any sign.
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm actually devastated. Why did I get this?
Pretty easy, 80, honestly.
My one is so bad.
Budward, I kinda need to talk to you for a second.
Yeah?
I'm kinda on 5 hearts.
What the hell?
I started today on 27.
How did you...
I'm kinda on 5 hearts. Oh yay, gave it up.
How did you do that?
I don't know.
Did you finish your task?
No, I failed it. I re-rolled for hard and I failed it because I'm not doing it.
I'm on 31 now.
Damn. I'm on 6. Rags, do you have it in you to gift me a heart?
You should have just
No.
re-rolled for
What have you
hard.
got? What have you got?
I have 6 hearts.
Well, trade.
Yeah.
You've got some diamonds.
I can give you some tough bricks.
I do really need some diamonds. Like,
Diamonds? No, I don't have any.
oh, I don't know.
I'm,
What else
I don't,
you
I'm
got?
not wearing any either, so.
Could you give me some? Those boots are looking quite nice.
What boots?
Those boots that you just took off for me.
No.
Honestly,
You want these iron boots?
I am not even sure if
You want
this
these
is
iron
even
boots?
worth
Yeah.
it.
I want those diamond
Okay.
boots you've got.
Yeah, you can have the
Eh.
iron boots.
I'll give you the heart.
Oh, look at Mr. Pointy
Oh, no,
Ears
that's not
and the
worth it.
guy on a camel. I actually don't know what to insult you about, Budward.
Why?
Arcturus?
What are you insulting me?
Arcturus, I just wanted to say that I'm really sorry
I
for
really
blowing
don't
up
want to
your
do
house.
this.
Last
You
session.
had that.
You
I
are
had
an
this
idiot.
task.
You are a dumb little boy.
Oh,
Oh,
this
thank you,
might not
Sybil.
work.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm not actually sick. I just did it for my task.
What was your task?
I had to convince 3 people I was sick. So I just went around coughing and saying I was ill. That's convincing, right?
My first one was create a gingerbread house. And I didn't feel like doing that, so I just rerolled for hard, and then I had to make everyone play a game of hockey, and I was no.
That's why you have 5 hearts now.
Well, now I've got 6.
Yeah. Can I have your bucket soon?
Yeah, I can.
Cause I
use
kinda
the
need it for
iron.
the farm.
Someone was invisible.
Yeah.
Someone was invisible. Who's invisible?
Who's burning the trees?
Someone was invisible. He ran that way.
Why is the tree burning? Okay, well,
Tree burn.
someone put water.
Hey Blue, you wanna play a fun British game?
I think I know what your task is, but I can't guess it.
Oh, no, thanks.
Dun, 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 dun.
That's
We
not even
are
my
running.
camel, I stole it from
Oh.
someone.
Oh.
Actually, I didn't
Well-
steal it, I found it in
Well,
the middle
I
of
stole
nowhere.
I stole your dog pack camel. Ha.
Oh,
I don't think we stole a camel. I don't know what Tree's on about.
I watched your video, you stole it.
What do you mean we stole it? We found it.
No,
Dude, I made my own
I-
camel, thank you very much.
For real.
I'm sorry.
I
These
birthed
people
this camel.
nowadays.
No,
Holy. Actual haters.
Yeah, the haters. Creeper. Oh man.
Oh my god. I didn't know there's phantoms.
What? Oh, there is phantoms. Let me in! Let me in! Let me in!
Let's go talk to
Let's go
cats.
pick up Ina. Let's go pick up Ina.
Yeah, let's go pick up Ina.
Why
cats are
were you
different.
leaving me behind? Actually, probably safer than not.
Probably just ignored you like Elsa did in.
I'll replace this.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Damn. Get me up here! Get me up here!
The skeleton and creeper.
Hi, y'all. I
We're-
lagged out.
Budward.
How
Yeah,
about oh, we have a
we're gonna.
creeper egg
I'm making
and
a
a
creeper and
skeleton egg.
skeleton bomb.
Why would you do
And-
that? You make me hit my head. I lost half a heart.
My bad. My bad. My bad.
Do
my bad.
either of you have a?
I thought it
what's
was high.
Do either of you have a? What's it called? I forgot. Pickaxe.
I actually don't.
Take 3 iron.
Okay, thank you. Guys, can we have a snowball fight?
I think we have bigger fish to fry.
Yeah, I don't.
No, but I really want to have a snowball fight.
No. No. What? You can. You can go
Guys, we should have a
over.
Get
snowball
over
fight,
here.
right?
We'll have a snowball fight another time.
No. I'm gonna collect enough
Guys, there's an
snowballs
issue.
until my
The
until my
camels
shovel
can get
breaks.
over the gate.
How'd you
Carpet
get
over
the
it?
gate?
No, we. Yeah, just put carpet on it.
I don't have wool though.
Oh, there goes another half a heart. And no, there goes another.
You are so low on
Oh
out.
my god, project.
It's fine. Nothing. will
I'm on
ever
30 and a
do
half
surely.
hearts.
I'm on.
Yeah,
I'm on.
I'm on.
Yeah, I'm
1.
on 29 and a half.
Creeper!
No.
Wait, the other door. It's.
No, 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 no.
No, no.
You gotta stay in
Don't
here.
fight.
You gotta stay in here.
Project, you're the last person who should be outside.
You are the last person to be outside. You're on 1 heart.
Do we have any coal? Do we have any coal?
No, we need to go mining again.
Guys,
Okay,
you know what I
you
do
two go
have?
mining. I'm gonna stay here and be safe.
Snowball.
Okay.
We should have a snowball fight.
You know what? Sure.
No, wait. You guys go mining. I'll build the mob farms. I'll make a skeleton and creeper farm.
I'm gonna wait
Project.
until.
Project, you didn't even you didn't participate in our snowball fight.
And so, I went mining, and it went pretty well. Except for when it didn't. I'll roll the clip now. I'm dead. I am dead. Oh my god! I need to go. I need to go. I'm lagging! I'm lagging! Genuinely can't fight.
I wanted to slime her out, but I don't think I can. It would be unfair. She's lagging. Can I slime her out? Like, morally? Can I morally slime her out?
Why do you want to sign me out?
Well, you're naughty.
No, I'm not. I'm favored.
I didn't think that for a second.
Right, I hate dragons so much. Why? Why? So much mobs! Have a
Budward,
break,
are you good?
please.
Budward.
Why?
Budward, come here, come here, come here.
Hi.
How many parts are you on?
26 and a half. 26 and a half. Do y'all want to kill dragon?
I can kill dragon, not kid.
Cause like, okay, he killed me, and I'm really mad at him. So.
See, I'm on 14 parts,
Oh.
and dragon will most likely.
I might ally with y'all.
Huh?
I might ally with y'all if that's fine.
I don't know. I just joined and currently teamed with no guns now.
These subs? No. Okay.
One bad boot from the guy. It's not.
Why did you abuse me?
Yeah, what the hell?
It was a task.
Rex.
I had to.
Abusive.
You had to
Abusive
Right,
boyfriend.
alright. They could've just failed the task, you know?
I'm on 2 rows of hearts, Budward.
Yeah, and
So?
now I have 4. I have 4 hearts.
You're in yellow still. It's...
Budward should honestly go help Ina, cause you know.
I don't know where Ina is!
The amount of
Okay,
tasks
let's
I
go
had
look for
that involve
Ina.
Zach, aka the only red name, is.
Oh, hi Zach.
Where's Ina?
Why are you chasing Ina?
I genuinely don't know there.
Is
Can
the
anyone
dragon
give
on
me
your
a
team?
heart here? I need.
Kill Zach.
Kill Zach!
Down with the Zach.
No, we actually no.
That was
It was just a prank, bro. The prank.
I'm gonna die.
for real.
No,
It was
no,
just
wait.
a prank.
No.
I have nothing to live for.
I love this prank, honestly.
Guys, you've already taken 10. I'm not even lying. I'm on 22. Guys,
Yeah, he's loud.
I didn't.
He's got 10 hearts.
Wait, don't kill Zach. Don't kill Zach.
Kill Zach.
Guys, someone. I'm not trying. Please, guys.
Guys, don't kill him.
Guys, I'm not trying. Please leave me.
He's at a rough
Please, leave me,
session.
guys.
Stop.
I'm stopping.
Guys.
Guys, please.
Husband,
Please stop.
no.
Please
I'm not
stop. Please stop.
attacking you. Please.
Please.
Please stop.
Guys,
Husband,
team
stop.
sound
Please
loud.
stop.
Genuinely, I will kill you.
Stop.
How would team be allowed? You
Don't
attacked us
fire
first.
kill
Team
someone who's
has to be is for
No, because I stopped fighting.
victims, not
And then you
the.
continue. I stopped fighting.
Wait, yeah.
Ugh.
So we were still combating.
Guys.
Ooh, Alicia's now red.
Not
No.
Rex, you should have killed. You should have killed Zach. Honestly, I feel like we did bad. We could. It was so. It was not only.
I don't
Zach's
want
kill.
anyone any raids to go out though.
But I
Civil's
do.
down there. I think Civil's down. Zach,
No, it's
Civil's
just
down there.
unneeded.
He's naughty.
It is needed.
Free. There are greens.
I don't
No,
care.
that person-
Lug and dragon.
We gotta kill Dragon though. I genuinely hate that guy in this.
I have
Genuinely.
nothing to live for.
Not like actually, but in this server, yeah.
I'm gonna kill a red name.
I do. I think he deserves to get killed. He tried to kill 5 people.
I have an idea.
Exactly. He tried to kill. I think he tried to kill.
You don't deserve to get coddled because you're red.
Exactly. Like if I got to, if I. No, 80. Okay, yeah, no, Zach is definitely dying.
Zach is dead.
Zach is like dead.
I don't even care if I die. Zach is dead.
You already.
Well, there's Zach. There's Zach. You know.
Coming down to kill you and you logged out, so I had to wait to kill you.
He's had to go.
To change your skin is not that important. If a
It was for my task.
oh.
Honestly, I don't feel safe around you, Zach. I haven't had the chance to play before I'm actually.
Please.
Can Rex kill the red then?
Yeah, they
Yeah,
can.
let's be killed, right?
Right.
I'm on
So
fire.
what-
Zach,
Zach is
don't come
attacking
after
me
me.
or
Don't come
Yeah, that's
after
the thing, I
us.
don't trust you.
Yeah, but you don't. Okay, Toby, I'm coming to swap
Come
you. I'm
after
boss.
me. Come after us. I'll come after you. Okay.
You're not a team.
Thank you.
You're team with Archer.
I'm allied, so
Yeah, we're out.
Yeah, allied defense is not allowed.
I actually don't care. I was at like Bedrock and Dragon still killed me.
Oh, I'm really hurt.
You can't do anything.
Guys,
I'm running, guys. I'm out of here. Inside he goes.
guys, please.
If I don't think we should help Dragon. Or yeah.
How many hearts do you want?
If he dies, he dies. I don't care.
I'm on 3 hearts.
No, you're not.
I say if the opportunity comes, we take that opportunity.
If the opportunity comes, we either take
Guys,
Zach or Dragon.
I really need some hearts.
Zach, you should start attacking one of us. Honestly.
Honestly,
Guys, I.
Wait, can Zach kill
I
me?
was. Yeah.
Yes,
I
Zach can
was
kill you. But aren't you
standing-
team with Budward? If
Alright, let me in.
Guys, I was standing on the edge and a phantom swooped down and knocked me off.
Oh yeah, I
Filthy
saw that.
red
It was
names.
like- if
How would
final
you get to
Zach
3
right
hearts
there-
then?
Because I was on 12 hearts.
Zach, did you like my fire aspect?
Oh my
It was
god.
really fun.
Oh my god, what?
That's a lie because they just hit you.
Yeah, it
Zach,
hit me.
did you
I
love
would
my
have
fire
been like
aspect?
3
It was
hearts.
so cool.
I'm not first.
This man's lying, by the way.
you'll be
Lying.
second, Zach.
Yeah, you would have died by now.
Notice how Sir Nug didn't chasing you while you were low? Yeah, see, that's the difference between good and...
No, Nog chased me. He didn't know how many hearts I was on. I was on 45 and finished the fight on 15. So if that was a normal fight, I would have been dead. So Nog,
45!
and
Oh my goodness. Zach,
Nog didn't know how many hearts I was on.
how did you...
So
how did you
Nog
screw that
tried
up
to
so
final.
hard?
Nog tried to final kill me.
Yeah, you have more than. Zach, you
Yeah, like
probably
8
got like.
hearts. And okay, I lied about me on 3 hearts. I'm on 15, but still.
Yeah, I know, you're a liar.
Everyone coddle Zach.
Oh my god, I don't even care about coddling Zach anymore. I can't care about how Zach can still alive.
I just want Dragon to die in Minecraft.
I just want Dragon and Zach to die in Minecraft.
Can we not just all jump in?
What are the teams? Because I am
We
so
can.
not clear.
I don't have a team.
Me, Arcturus, Ina, y'all.
I thought Stallion was on your team as well.
Who?
Stallion?
Who's
No.
that?
I'm not on
Oh,
any.
Scallion.
Okay.
I didn't have the chance to even like. I don't know what to do really. Because I've lost 2 dogs and a horse.
I have 20 diamonds, so that's good.
Oh,
Budward.
Hi.
oh, you scared me.
Hi guys.
Hi. Ina, where are you?
Back together.
I just came back.
We're allied with
Online.
Archie's team as well.
Oh, okay. Where's Archie? Who's Archie's team?
That's Nug and Archie, right?
That's Nug, Shweezo, and Archie.
Oh,
It's a pretty good team.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
Could I have 3 diamonds? I went through that whole trip not to get a single diamond. I
Oh,
have
yeah, I need
43
5.
items though.
I
okay.
need 5 and I need to enchant.
You need 5
Just need
to
a
what?
chest plate.
I need sword and axe.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Huge
I just
chest
need a
plate
chest.
and boots.
Okay. Thank you.
I have 3 diamonds left over now.
Okay.
They let me use their
I haven't-
enchanter. The team we're allied with now.
Okay, I have 6 sugarcane.
Oh, yeah.
Can we?
Did you see my
I have a
sugarcane
lot-
farm?
No, I stole it.
You stole it? Or
Yeah, I
Oh.
stole it.
I need to go check on my sugarcane farm.
Yeah, don't you have the stuff to make an enchanter now?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm gonna.
I make one for y'all.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I have a ton of food. Down here. Potatoes. Oh, that potatoes weren't cooked.
Okay, y'all. Here you go. Enchanter here.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
What
use
do we
lapis.
use bookshelves for? We can't do over level 1 enchants, right?
Toby?
Hello. Can you not slime me? Don't. What the
Hi
fuck?
Toby.
Hello.
I think we're allied
Toby,
with
what the
Toby.
hell is that skin? Wait, so you don't know anything.
Toby, eat this.
I'm not gonna eat that. I'm already fucking.
It's
about to
just
get
a
slimed.
crystallized
Shree's
potato.
getting
It's a
chased by
crystallized
dragons.
potato.
I'm not getting involved
We
with this.
love
I'll get slimed.
crystallized potatoes.
They're pretty cool to be fair. Zach.
Right,
Those
what's the...
two again.
I want to
really,
kill
really
dragons
fucking
so
annoying.
bad.
I want to kill that so bad.
Do you want to just all gangbang him?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, let's go.
Wait,
Because
can
he's
I-
actually
can I have
fucking
one
off
diamond?
now.
Can I have 1 diamond for a pair of leggings?
I literally got given all my diamonds. I got 2.
Do you have...
Edward, do you have any diamonds
I
left?
have 1 more diamond left.
Ooh,
No.
Thank you.
If
Thank
can
you
I
so
can I
much.
ally with you guys if I give you a netherite template?
Sure?
Because I literally don't know what to do.
Oh my
I'm
God,
a
wait,
lost
okay.
course here.
We need netherite now.
Oh, I
Yeah,
thought
I
you
have-
had nether.
I have a netherite
Sorry,
upgrade
shoot, so I have
too,
to
and
ban
we
you
have
because it's either you died and you're on
No,
red
it's
or
no,
I
it's
died
bad.
and you died. Yeah, I didn't want to.
Alright. No,
No, 'cause
Chuso, you're gonna
Chuso-
help us kill Dragon, right?
Shuso says, yeah,
I'm
I've got
at
fire
6
aspect.
hearts.
Zach goes, well, I've got a fire aspect and a fire fucking potion.
How much does that... How much hearts does Zach have?
Like
Zach is
12.
probably at like 15 to.
Like
Should we
20.
wait for him to be
Probably
annoying
20
and
now.
then
Oh,
kill him?
yeah, 20.
I'm at
Yeah.
19 and a half. So
I'm at 6. Do any of you want to give hearts?
I can't.
I gave mine to Budward.
I'm
Actually,
on
so,
red.
Hi, Nog.
Are you know?
Is this the new faction?
I guess so.
Against.
Alright, let's go
against
61
Zach-
Dragon, let's go.
I think we could get 80 points.
Wait, we can kill Dragon, but Zach can
Wait,
kill
shit.
me. That's the only issue.
If
If
Zach
Zach
attacks
attacks
you,
you-
then Budward
I won't be able to. Has anyone got obsidian?
Listen, team with Budward.
I have one.
And then they can help you.
This is my
Blow up
specialty.
Zach, please.
Ooh.
It will not happen.
Let's
Hang
go
on,
then.
just to check which button do I activate it with?
I'm pretty sure.
You
Right.
just punch it. You place it and then you punch
You
it.
could punch it. You just.
Place
Wait,
it
Toby, do
under
you
his
need-
feet.
Toby, do you need
Under his
arrows?
feet, not under yours.
No, because I don't have a bow.
Oh yeah.
Does the snowball
Does
work?
anybody have arrows? I have.
Yeah, then we could kill that.
If
Then
we
we could
kill
kill
Zach
that.
first,
And we
Dragon
just
can't
killed
get
that.
involved. Dragon can't get involved if it's...
Yeah, but we
You
can't
just kill them
catch
both
it
at
unless
once.
we do that.
Top 2 enemies of the server. They're killing everyone.
What if I place down then and I kill one of you?
Nah, mate. I'm
we
good.
won't
Right, no,
be
by
near
accident.
it.
No, I'm good.
Um,
Just say yeah. Yeah, I don't have that there now. Also, don't know where I put my sugarcane farm. So that's good.
oh, I do.
What's allied if someone to attack?
Oh, come on. I keep on losing hearts.
That's with those actually. That's so scary.
Oh, dragon died.
Dragon
Yeah,
died because
So Dragon can kill us. Or not us, you guys.
Dragon
Dragon
can't
can't kill anyone. Except for, yeah.
Except Suizo.
Hang on, can you put like 50 stacks of TNT under that and just blows up when you walk past it?
Mm-hmm.
You could?
Can you go away, please?
I love 80.
I'm on 16.5 hearts. Why did you do that?
Wait.
Be more
Wait, Sponge is
careful.
online. I had no
Thank you,
clue.
Arcturus. Didn't you already
Wait,
give me a- Wait.
Wait. Oh, wait.
Give me heart.
I think it's because the session was restarted.
Yeah.
Everyone can gift a heart again.
Oh my god, wait.
You know, gift it to Budward.
What about me? I'm here struggling.
Whatever for
Thank
Instagram.
I'm struggling over here.
Hey, what are
Hi,
you doing?
guys.
Here?
I was
You
very
invited
confused where
the
everyone was.
party.
So I looked around the entire map.
We're having
Hi,
a
Zach.
party.
Nice.
Ina. I need.
No, guys,
Useful fast.
Ina,
Ina, go, go, go.
Ina, let's go. Ina, let's go.
No.
There's another suicide
Ina.
bomb.
I got bombed. Who bombed me? Ina, I'm not here for violence. Ina, I need you for my task.
Yeah, which is probably including violence.
Okay.
Ben.
Out to where you were.
That's not Sven.
Oh yeah, by the way, I should probably tell you guys what SE means.
Oh, hi,
SE
Zach.
means that only the
Hi,
victim
Edward.
can help. The victim
Hi.
and allies. It's not. Let's say Zach
I
hits
don't
me.
know.
You
Why don't
only...
we, guys?
Panicking
Wait,
a bit.
everyone here, I need to have a
Yeah,
speech.
it's okay.
Why don't we have a team fight? These teams are looking pretty evenly matched. 5.
Where is everyone?
you know,
Shrizo, we gotta go.
but we're
Civil
right.
War.
Shrizo, we gotta go. Where even is everyone? Stop looking
I don't
back,
know,
just
they
go.
Hi, Art.
Okay.
Guys.
Okay, you're very slow, Shrizo.
It's a 5v4, but you guys have the better players. It could be a fair, and you guys are all yellow as well, where you could take some of us out.
I don't think that's
Ina, go faster. Ina, we're going faster.
You're gonna go faster.
I don't have 30 plus.
Why?
Why?
I've been banged out in real life, honestly. I mean it.
Help!
Not the camel.
Help! You guys can help!
no.
I haven't done anything.
What?
Alicia and Sybil have done stuff. You can kill them.
No, I can't cross this hammer. What am I gonna? No!
Oh my god.
You
Zach.
can't help him. He did this to himself. He tried to end me.
Oh, that idiot.
Oh, Lucius.
You guys can't help. You guys can't help.
You
No,
can't
no,
help
no, you can't help.
He's
What?
part of his team is Steve. Oh.
Fuck.
You can't.
Oh, sorry.
Guys, I'm.
But
bad.
you can't help.
My bad! I said my bad!
I need to get 10 hearts.
Genuinely!
10 hearts for.
Yeah, I
don't you
lost
get it
like 4
naturally?
hearts.
I
from that.
didn't because he hit the
Come
floor.
on, I'm just...
Wait, I'm like
Oh.
because I'm only
Do slash
30.
flame then. I think you could do slash flame on it.
Oh yeah, that's it. Definitely kill.
Kill is not working. It's not here. Wait, I can.
It should.
It's not.
Oh,
slash
yeah, it's
flame
not.
kill.
I lost like 4 hearts from
No.
that. What the heck? I didn't even do it.
No.
Who's putting lava at others?
Yes,
Okay,
PM.
there's nothing there. There's nothing there.
Yeah, and that is a rule. Ally self-defense is allowed.
Can I 1v1 you?
No.
No shield, sword 1v1.
You
No.
have so many
No,
more
you're
hearts. Why
not
would
1v1
anybody
by the way.
1v1
How many
you?
hearts do you want, Budrad?
He's
16?
on, like, 14
It's not
hearts. What do you mean?
info you need.
It looks like a pretty evenly matched 4v4 and Ina in the background.
No.
Ina
I mean,
in the
it
background.
matters which red
Ina in the
starts the fight,
background.
Zach.
Oi,
If
oi,
you start
oi.
the fight, then
Ina
you
in the
die.
Don't go-
If
I
I
will
start the
hit
fight,
you.
I die.
It,
Ina, come
so
here.
is it
Kill
Ina,
same
make it
color
a
kill?
5v5.
Is it same color
You
kill?
need to kill Ina. Ina.
No,
I
it's up
warned
kill
you.
only.
What
By the way,
Okay,
Dragon,
okay.
I knew you were running at me. I don't know if you wanted to kill me or anything.
By the way, Ark was attacking me when I haven't attacked Ina. I haven't done anything.
Zach,
No.
Get
run
out
I
away.
of
haven't
here.
done. But Ark was attacking me before I even attacked Ina.
You
Oh, this is a
literally
cute
were
house.
about to attack Ida.
I was about to, but I
You
haven't.
were about to. Okay, that's scummy.
Yeah. I mean,
There's not much we can do here with ally self-defense. Because what do you mean is Nog, Bud, and an Arcturus against me and Dragon?
Yeah, me and Zach
mean, get your
aren't really that good.
You did
Zach
kill
is
like
though,
half
I'm
the
not.
people. I'm not gonna lie.
I
yeah,
killed
you've
3
been
people
killing half of the people.
nobody else
It's
was
not
killing
our
the
fault,
naughties.
Zach. You've angered everybody.
Nobody else
They
was
gotta
killing the
they
naughties.
gotta give a reason to kill naughties. There's no reason. There's no reward.
No, the reason is they're
He killed-
naughty. That's the point.
Yeah, but there's no reward for it.
I
It's
wasn't-
genuinely.
I
There
was
is.
a
You get
guardian.
5
He
hearts
tried
extra.
to kill me.
That's
You
a
get a lucky
terrible reward.
You get a lucky block.
And you get 5 hearts now.
Yeah, it's a terrible reward. I'm sorry.
Also, I wanted to do it because I was bored.
The hell is this?
What is this?
Dragon, what V2?
What is this?
The one in the secret life mini round. Remember?
The one V2. Oh, I should. Edward, try to stay close to us.
So annoying.
I don't mind team self-defense. I hate ally team self-defense.
What's ally? What's the difference? 'Cause I actually know the
Ally is
difference.
like, for example,
Allies,
Rebel Cops. The cops
me and
help
Bud were.
rebels.
Our teams are allied. Our teams are allied. So we're able
For
to.
example,
so-
you know Rebel Cops.
Yeah.
They could have helped each other, like,
I see.
because they were allied. You know Kingdom, who are we teams with? No one, okay.
Trying to.
Yeah, I
How
almost
many
pushed
hearts
you.
you on?
Creeper, creeper.
Yeah, on this one.
Warning shot.
I got my task done. Oh my god.
What's going on?
Creeper.
Blew up.
Oh, I thought it was something cool.
Oh my god, I thought it was a trap.
It's a trap, actually. Believe it or not. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you planted the creeper.
Yeah, exactly.
It was.
Would be unfortunate.
Zach.
See, it was
Totally.
randomly
I believe, Zach,
flying
I
around
believe.
the map, and it didn't have anyone's name on it, so I took it.
Oh, that hurts a lot, actually.
That's getting killed by Edward. Is it a 1v1 or... Is this a 1v1?
Task was to kill Budward.
Oh, mine was to.
Why?
Because it was my
His
task.
task was to kill you.
Oh!
Yeah, that's just what red tasks are at this point.
Oh, wait, I don't get heart, I just get loot.
I'm actually really annoyed now. I'm like
Tell me
shaking.
about it. We red coddled him, and now he's killed everybody.
Yeah, like why? Ugh. They keep on saying no, it's not the room. Sorry,
Yeah, I can't do
Red coddling in my era is never happening again.
just he's so annoying.
Sponge, hey.
Hi.
But at this point, I don't know what to do now. I'm kind of screwed.
Stupidest skin on the server.
See ya.